Hi friends, very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the weekly session where we will discuss the top important current affairs of last week. Okay, so if you can hear me loud and clear, just give a thumbs up to this video and say hi in the video, guys, so that we can start. So I have made the list of all the important current affairs related to prelims here, which we are going to discuss. And if you want daily current affairs and daily quiz, you can join my Telegram channel. Okay, we run a daily current affairs. Okay, we give a PDF and we give the daily 10 questions on current affairs. Okay, so if you can hear me loud and clear, guys, please hit like button to this video live session. Can we start, guys? Can we start? So what we will do is that we will ask you a lot of questions. Okay, I'm going to ask you a lot of questions. So this is like a test also, and you will test yourself, you will assess yourself how far you are preparing well for the prelims examination, because in this session I'll be asking a lot of questions. Okay, so it's an interaction. So can you comment in the comment box? Can you hear me, guys? Just comment hi so that I can see your comments. I can see your comment. Amarnath, yes, good evening. So whoever replies most number of answers, I'm going to announce his name. At the end of the session. Okay, so let me see who wins today. Okay. So I will be seeing how many of you are able to answer the questions also. Okay, so with not wasting much time, let us start our session, guys. So what we will do is that I will start with science and tech, because science and tech is most important section in the prelims examination. A lot of questions come from science and tech, and as far as current affairs concerned, a lot of aspirants, they struggle in science and tech. So what I will do is that I will pick the most important science and tech topic of this week, and briefly we will have a small discussion and we will ask questions from you. Okay, guys, so the very first topic was related to health. Okay, the very first topic was related to health. There was a rumor that government has come out some notification regarding samosas and jalebis. Okay, or some kind of notification. It was a rumor. Okay, it is not a correct news, but there was a rumor. Okay, so in this context, we will try to understand what are the problems with samosas and jalebis. Okay, can anybody tell me in the comment box what is the health problem with samosas and jalebis? How many of you consume samosas and jalebis? Okay, how many of you consume samosas and jalebis? Can you tell me? Okay, the answer is trans fat. The answer is trans fat. Okay, what are trans fat, guys? What are trans fats? Trans fats are basically those fats, okay, which are bad for our health. Okay, they are basically prepared by hydrogenation of vegetable oils. They increase the bad cholesterol, which is the LDL, and decrease the good cholesterol, which is the HDL. Okay, they increase the bad cholesterol LDL, they increase the bad cholesterol, which is LDL, and decrease the good cholesterol, which is HDL. Trans fat is very important. Trans fat is also found in nature. Okay, it is not like that. Okay, trans fat is only produced by man-made. No, man-made trans fats are generally used, but even nature also you get trans fat. Can anybody tell me nature, where do we find trans fat? Nature, when do we find trans fat, guys? Anybody can tell me? In nature, where do we find trans fats? Trans fats, the first topic is trans fat. In nature, where do we find trans fats? Can anybody tell me? In nature, okay, naturally occurring trans fats. Yes, dairy products and meat. Okay, people who consume meat, okay, trans fat is available there. Okay, very good. But generally trans fat is used for what? Okay, man-made trans fat. Okay, for basically a kind of fast foods and processed food. In processed food, trans fat is used. Why? Because trans fats helps to give good texture to the food. When you heat the oil multiple times in samosas, what we do, we heat the oil multiple times, that leads to trans fat formation. That leads to trans fat formation. So samosas have trans fat, jalebis have trans fat, and these trans fats are not good for our heart. Okay, so it is not good for our heart. We may get heart stroke, we may get heart attack. These days heart diseases are becoming very common. Okay, so first topic is trans fat. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? First topic is clear, guys. First topic is clear, guys. If you are liking the discussion, give a like, hit, okay, like this video, guys. Okay, like this video, please like this video. If you are liking this discussion, please hit a like button. Okay, first topic we have discussed, the most important topic. Trans fats have already come in UPSC mains examination. So I'm picking the first topic. Okay, first topic I'm taking it. Okay, samosas and jalebis, trans fat. Second topic, guys, sugar content, added sugar. Okay, second topic is added sugar. So guys, even added sugar is not good for our health. Okay, so there are two kinds of sugar. One is sugar which is naturally occurring in fruits. Okay, like if you eat apple, if you eat mangoes, okay, that is called natural sugar. Natural sugar is not bad for our health. Added sugar, like when we eat tea, when we drink tea, okay, or the coffee, okay, when we add sugar, okay, to our diet, this is called added sugar. Okay, or in processed foods, okay, we eat sugar. Sugar is not good for our health. Okay, sugar is not good for health. Okay, when we eat natural fruits, that sugar is good. Why? Because there we are getting lot of other vitamins and proteins and lot of other things also. Okay, but when we just add sugar to our drink or tea, that is not good for our health. That is not good for our health. So I would like to ask a simple question to all of you. WHO has given a limit. WHO has given a limit that what is the safe content for sugar. Can anybody tell me what is that limit? Quickly, guys. WHO has given. WHO. Let me see how many of you can answer. WHO has given a limit for sugar. Let me see how many of you can answer. What is that limit to the sugar? Added sugar, 25 grams. 25 grams. Very good. Superb. Shipla Mittal. Very good. Mittal is answering correctly. Mohammad Jalil is adding. Very good. Sonali Tiwari. Very good. Okay. So Sonali Tiwari. Very good. Okay. Less than 25 grams. Okay. What is the fat content WHO? Fat content WHO. Amarnath. Very good. Amarnath. Very good. Fat content. WHO guideline for fat content. Quickly. Fat content 65 grams. Fat content 65 grams. Very good. 65 content. Muhammad Jalil. Very good student. Muhammad Jalil. Very good. Superb. Really like Muhammad Jalil is answering. Very good. Okay. Really very good. Salt. What is the salt WHO? Salt, guys. Salt. Salt. What is the salt limit? What is the salt limit, guys? Quickly. Salt limit is 5 gram. Okay. Again, Muhammad Jalil is the first person to answer. Very good. Very good. Okay, very good. Superb. I really like it. Okay, 5 gram is for the salt. 5 gram. Okay, superb. Now tell me, what is this food called which is rich in sugar, which is rich in salt, and which is rich in fat? What is that food called? What is the name of that food? Can anybody tell me? What is the name of the fat? HFSS. Again, Mr. Mendes is answering. Very good. Mr. Mendes, superb, superb. Sonali Tiwari, superb, superb. Most of you are doing very good. If you study like this, definitely you are going to crack the prelims examination next year. Definitely. I am very happy. I am very happy to see so many answers. Very happy. James Bond is also there. Nitin Kushwaha. Okay, superb, superb, superb. So guys, two important topics we have covered till now. Guys, are you liking the discussion, guys? Are you liking the format, guys? Are you liking the format? Okay. Please say yes and hit a like button to this video, guys. Hit a like button to this video. Okay. The next topic in science and tech from related to health. The next topic in science and tech related to health is GLP-1. GLP-1. Definitely one question is going from this. One question is going to come from this GLP-1. What is GLP-1? What is GLP-1 drugs? GLP-1 drugs. Recently it is in news. Recently it is in news, guys. Okay. Weight loss, insulin regulation. Very good. Superb, superb. Obesity control, weight loss. What are the names of drugs which are based on GLP-1? What are the names of drugs which are based in GLP-1? Can anybody tell me? GLP-1 drugs, GLP-1 drugs, okay, weight loss, obesity drugs, okay. Yeah, semaglutide, very good. Wegovy, very good. Yes, superb. Is it legal in India, guys? Is it legal in India or not? Is it allowed in India? Semaglutide allowed in India or not? Wegovy. What are the other names? Yes, it is legal. Yes, superb. Yeah, answer is yes. It is allowed. Yes, it is allowed. Okay, can you name more drugs? Can you name more? Zepbound, very good. Zepbound. Sham has answered it correctly. Weight loss drugs. Okay, GLP-1 weight loss drugs. You know, recently some research has happened, and the research has said that this GLP-1 also relates to our brain neurotransmitters. Okay, so it can be used in the treatment of Alzheimer also. Recently only. Okay, so please do look into it. But generally GLP-1 is for what? Weight loss. Ozempic. Yes, Ozempic is also one drug. Very good. Ozempic, semaglutide, okay, Wegovy, Mazarno, Zepbound. Okay, I hope you get it. Okay, guys. So we have done, okay, very important topics. Again, a health topic which is very important is the measles. Guys, recently there is an outbreak of measles in various countries, particularly America. Measles. Can anybody tell me measles is spread by which microorganism? Measles in America outbreak, measles. It is spread by which microorganism? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me, guys? Virus. What kind of virus? RNA virus or DNA virus? RNA virus or DNA virus? RNA virus. Most of you are answering correctly, guys. I'm very happy. You all are going to crack the prelims examination next year. Let me tell you, you all are going to crack the prelims examination next year. No one can stop you if you prepare like this. No one can stop you, because current affairs is the main thing, guys. Current affairs is main thing. Okay. So health related science and tech we have done. Can we move forward, guys, to the next section? Guys? Okay, yes, okay. Now we will do space related topic this week. Okay, this week the space related topic is what? Merger of black holes. Two black holes merging. Okay, merger of black holes. Okay, this is a very important topic, guys. Recently a merger of black hole was detected by gravitational waves using the LIGO observatory. So gravitational waves, merger of black holes, gravitational waves. Can you tell me names of observatories which detect gravitational waves? Can you name few of the observatories, guys? Let me see how many of you are able to tell me. Okay, let me see how many of you are able to tell me. Okay, what is the name? LIGO, Virgo and Kagra. LIGO, Virgo and Kagra. And the name of the gravitational wave was GW231123. GW231123. Okay, gravitational waves, very important. Gravitational waves, this is an important concept, guys. Gravitational waves, guys. Detection of black hole is important. Okay, detection of black hole is important because it will tell us more about our universe, how it has evolved. Okay, but detecting gravitational wave black holes is very difficult. Why? Because it attracts all the light, it absorbs all the light. Okay, so how to detect black holes? Through gravitational waves. Okay, I hope you get this. So when we merge two black holes, gravitational waves are, okay, released, and we can detect those gravitational waves. Okay, So this was the space news this week. This was the space news this week. Okay, next is the defense related news. Next is the defense related news. Okay, the most important defense related news was INS Nistar. INS Nistar. What is INS Nistar? Okay, what is INS Nistar? This week, it was, okay, inaugurated. INS Nistar. 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 What is it? What is it? Yes, deep rescue. Okay, deep sea rescue. Very good. For rescue of submarines, deep sea rescue. Very good. Deep rescue vessel. Deep rescue vessel. Very good. Is it indigenous or is it bought from outside? Is it indigenous or it is bought from outside, guys? Is it indigenous? And what is the capacity? What is the capacity? 300 meters. 300 meters. Yes, it is indigenous. Superb, 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 superb. Can you tell me there was another diving rescue vessel, okay, which is going to be inaugurated. What is the name of that? It is related to INS Nistar only. What is the another one? What is the name of that? Can anybody tell me the name of that? Nipun. Okay, very good. Now we come to another subject, polity. Polity. Polity, we are discussing polity, the most important one. So recently what happened, guys, Honorable Supreme Court has made an observation that people are misusing social media. And they are abusing their right to freedom of speech and expression. Guys, the Constitution of India gives us right to freedom of speech and expression under Article 19(1)(a). But remember that Article 19(1)(a), freedom of speech and expression, is not an absolute right. It is not an absolute right. The same Article 19 Clause 2 regulates or restricts your freedom of expression by reasonable restrictions. And these reasonable restrictions are basically, okay, under the 19 Clause 2. There are how many restrictions? Can anybody tell me? Please write down all the restrictions. How many restrictions are there? Reasonable restrictions. Freedom of right to express is not an absolute. Freedom of right is not an absolute. It is not an absolute right. There are restrictions, reasonable restrictions. How many restrictions are there? Can anybody tell me? 8 restrictions. Someone is saying 8 restrictions. Yes, very good. Hemashri is answering correctly. Hemashri is answering correctly, guys. Okay. How many of you? Yes. Manjunath Kali has answered correctly. Very good, Manjunath. Deep Divedi is also answering correctly. Very good. Okay. Yes. So you should know the name of all the 8. Sovereignty, security, public order, morality, decency, defamation, contempt of court. All the 8, you should remember it, guys. Very, very important. Very, very important. Okay. Also, guys, this right to expression, what all it includes, how the Supreme Court has expanded the right to information to include other rights also, like right to know. Okay, you should know. This is a very important topic. The second important topic this week, today only, okay, Article 143. What is Article 143, guys? Can anybody tell me? Today only it is in news. Article 143. Can anybody tell me Article 143? What is Article 143? 143. Today only it is in news. Okay. 143. Advisory jurisdiction of Honorable Supreme Court. Okay. 143. What is 143? Quickly. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you all the important articles. All the important articles I'm going to give you. Okay. Related to this. Okay. One is 143. Okay. Article 143 is for advisory. Okay. So whenever Honorable President wants some advice from the Supreme Court on any legal matter, the President can refer it to Honorable Supreme Court. Is Supreme Court bound to give the suggestion? Is Supreme Court bound to give the suggestion? Yes or no? Is Supreme Court bound to give suggestions? Quickly. Is Supreme Court bound to give suggestions? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. It is not bound. Supreme Court is not bound. Only Supreme Court is bound in some cases only. What is that case? Pre-constitution cases. Pre-constitution cases. But majority of the cases, it is not bound to give suggestions. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? No, no, and no. Correct or not? Okay, guys, is it no only? Suppose Supreme Court gives a suggestion. Suppose Supreme Court gives a suggestion. Is President bound to accept it? Is President bound to accept it? Is President bound to accept it? Quickly, guys, quickly. I need answers. I need answers. No. Very good. Superb, superb. Very good, very good. Next article is Article 142. What is Article 142? It has been termed as, okay, some kind of people have criticized Article 142 and use of Article 142. What is 142? It is in news. Very, very important. Very important. Complete justice. It is used to do what? Judicial adjudication. Judicial adjudications. Okay, judicial. Okay, judicial. Passing laws, passing directions, complete justice, judicial activism, complete justice, judicial activism. Then what is Article 145? What is Article 145? Quickly. Article 145, anyone? Article 145. Important articles, guys. I am giving you all important articles. What is Article 145? 143 we discussed. 142 we discussed. Now I'm asking what is 145? What is 145? What is 145? See, Article 145 is this, that whenever there is a substantial question of law, 5 bench judge, okay, 5 judge bench will be there. 5 judge bench will be there. It is very, very important. Okay. Article 145. This entire issue is related to what? Article 200 and Article 201. Article 200 and Article 201. Now I'm going to ask you a question on Article 200 and Article 201. Suppose the State Assembly passes a bill. Suppose a State Assembly passes a bill and gives it to the Governor. What are the options before the Governor? Governor can give assent, Governor can withhold assent, and Governor can put the bill for presidential reference. Okay. So now my question is there any time limit for this? Is there any time limit for the Governor to pass judgment, or to not judgment basically, to pass the bill or to give assent to the bill? Is it any time limit is given in the Constitution? Is it a time limit is given in the Constitution? Or is there any time limit for the President to give assent to the bills which are referred by the Governor? Is there any time limit? No time limit. But Supreme Court in recent judgment has given a time limit. What is that time limit? But Supreme Court has given a time limit. What is that time limit? Can anybody tell me? Supreme Court has given a time limit. Okay. Original Constitution, there is no time limit. Again, I am saying, original Constitution, there is no time limit. But Supreme Court has given a time limit. Okay, 3 months. Have a look at it. Have a look at it. Article 200, Article 201. Okay. Next topic from polity was Governor appointment. Next topic from polity was Governor appointment. Governor is appointed by President. Governor is appointed by President. What is the tenure of Governor? What is the tenure of Governor? Okay. What is the tenure of Governor? Quickly. Okay, very good. So it is pleasure of president. Pleasure of president means governor can be removed anytime. One governor can serve two states, yes or no? One governor can serve two states, yes or no? Does governor has security of tenure? Does governor have security of tenure? You should know this. All these are very, very important. Okay. Now we will discuss international relations. Now we will discuss international relations. No security of tenure is for governor. Can you tell me which two committees? Can you tell me which two committees have recommended that there must be some security of tenure and the appointment of governor should be through a process where we are consulting the chief minister also? What is the name of these two committees? Can anybody tell me? Sarkaria Commission and Punchi Commission. Sarkaria Commission and Punchi Commission. Okay, very, very important for the mains examination also. Okay, guys, very, very important for the mains examination also. Guys, are you enjoying the discussion? Okay, is it helpful, guys? Are you enjoying the discussion? Is it helpful? Please do let me know, guys. Are you enjoying? Give a like, hit the like button, guys, if you're enjoying the discussion. Share it with your friends who are preparing for the UPSC prelims examination next year, guys. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so because see, if it is helping you, then only I will come, because it takes a lot of effort to come here. Okay, prepare the entire week current affair and then I come here and I deliver it. So if it is helping you, definitely I'm more than willing to help you. Okay, because I want to do only those things which are helping you to crack the prelims examination. I'm completely dedicated for your success in the prelims examination. Okay, guys. Now let us discuss the international relations. Now let us discuss the international relations. Okay, so first what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to ask you some of the places in news. Some of the places in news I'm going to ask. Okay. Okay. So the first place I'm going to ask is Tivai Island. Where is Tivai Island? Let me see how many of you are answering. Tivai Island. Tivai Island. Tivai Island. Anyone? Quickly. Tivai Island. Anyone can tell me where is Tivai Island? Okay, we have Bindushri answering it. Bindushri, very good. Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone. Okay. Why it is in news? Because recently it has been nominated for what? Recently it has been nominated for what? Can anybody tell me? Recently it has been nominated for what? UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Okay. India also has got one World Heritage Site recently, new. Can anybody tell me? Okay. Can anybody tell me? India also has got one heritage site recently only. Who can tell me? Yes, the Maratha military forts. Very good. Jai Maharashtra. Okay. Maratha military forts. Very good. Very good. Superb. Very important. 44th. Yes, yes. Maratha military forts. Very important. Definitely question is going to come from this. Maratha military. People from Maharashtra. Okay. Can you tell me, are all the forts located in Maharashtra or they are located in some other states also? Can anybody tell me? Are all the forts located in Maharashtra or in some other state also? Which is that fort which is located in some other state also? Out of the 12 forts, one fort is located outside Maharashtra. Can anybody tell me? Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Yes, superb. I'm so happy you all are answering very well, very well. I am liking it. Please prepare a list of all the forts. Please prepare the list of all the forts. Jinji Fort. Very good. Please prepare the list of all the forts. Okay. Second topic. Let us start with the second topic. There is one province which is in news. There is one province which is in news. It is called Sweda province. Sweda. Sweda province. Can anybody tell me, guys, Sweda province is in which This is in news. Which country? Sweda province. Sweda. Sweda province. Am I pronouncing it correctly? I don't know. Okay, but that's why I'm saying Sweda means Sweida. Sweda province, Syria. So there is one community called Druze community. There is one community called Druze community. So they are having some clashes. Okay, Druze community, Druze. Okay, Bedouins, Druze, and even Israel is also involved. Okay, Israel is also involved. So I would like to ask every one of you, what are the bordering countries of Syria? What are the bordering countries of Syria? What are the bordering countries of Syria? Very important, bordering countries of Syria. And one more topic I'm going to ask you is, what is this Golan Heights? Golan Heights. Golan Heights. Where is it located? Golan Heights. Okay. Golan Heights. Golan Heights. Syria and Israel. Syria and Israel. Okay. Very important. Next important current affairs is France has exited Western African country. Which country? France has recently exited military base from one of the Western African country. What is the name of the Western African country? Can anybody tell me? France has recently exited one of the Western countries, military bases of Western country. Okay, Western Africa country. Western Africa country. What is the name of that country? Senegal. Senegal. What is the name of the military base? Camp Gilly. Camp Gilly. Camp Gilly. Camp Gilly. Okay. So in the last couple of years, France has been asked by most of the Western African countries to exit their nation. What are the other countries which have in the recent years asked France to leave their country? Can you name those countries? Can you name those countries, guys? Ashwini Singh, is there any personal mentorship? Yes. Join my Telegram channel, Optimize IAS. Is there any quickly, guys, tell me, what are the names of other countries which have asked the France to get out from their country? Mali, Burkina Faso, Niger. Mali, Burkina Faso, Niger. Mali, Burkina Faso, Niger. Very good. Is my voice audible, guys? Is my voice audible? Maybe internet issue. The voice is breaking. Okay. Maybe internet is, don't worry. I will be here. I will complete the session, then only I will go. Okay. Is voice coming, guys? Voice coming or not? Okay, let's quickly wrap it up. Burkina Faso, Mali, Chad. Burkina Faso, Mali, Chad. Okay. I hope my voice is clear. Guys. Let us wrap it up quickly. What is the region called? Guys? Can anybody tell me what is the region called? Sahel region. It is a UPSC PYQ. Sahel region. It is between the African Sahara Desert and the tropical forest. Okay, it is between that Sahel region. Okay, the countries Mauritania, Senegal, okay, Chad, okay, Niger, Burkina Faso, Mali. Okay, these are the countries. Okay, please do prepare Sahel region. Very, very important. Sahel region. It is between the the two regions. Sahel region, very, very important. Okay. Next important country which is in news is New Caledonia. New Caledonia is under which country? And it is located in which portion of the world? New Caledonia. Quickly, guys. New Caledonia. Which France? Very good, France. Okay. Which people are there in news? Can anybody tell me which people are there in news? France. Okay. Kanak people. Kanak people. Kanak people. Okay. Kanak people. They are demanding autonomy. They are demanding independence. They are demanding independence. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, guys. See, keep refreshing the session. My voice is clearly coming. Some people are saying my voice is coming. Okay. Keep refreshing the session. Okay, guys. Now coming to geography topic. Can we start geography, guys? I are done. Can we start geography, guys, quickly? Can we start geography? Are you ready, guys? Quickly, let us do geography, guys. Are you ready? Keep refreshing the session, guys. Okay. Geography important map point is Aravalis. The geography important map point is Aravalis. रिफ्रेश करो भाई, रिफ्रेश करो. वॉइस क्लियर है. बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं वॉइस क्लियर है. रिफ्रेश करो. सेशन को रिफ्रेश करते रहो भाई. Okay, so geography Aravalis. Can you tell me, guys? Geography which Aravalis are there in how many states? Aravalis are in how many states? Quickly. Aravalis are in how many states? Okay, let me ask you. Aravalis are what? Oldest mountain in India. Okay, Aravalis. Why Aravalis are important? Because it is preventing the Thar desert to expand into Delhi. Why Aravalis are important? Aravalis are important. Why Aravalis are important? Aravalis are stopping the Thar desert to expand. Yes, it is the oldest fold mountain. Oldest. Okay, it is like remnant mountain. Okay, it has completely oldest mountain. One of the oldest mountain. Very good. Gujarat is there. Okay, Rajasthan is there. Haryana is there. And quickly, Gujarat, Haryana. Which all states? Gujarat, Haryana. Okay, Rajasthan and Delhi. Which is the highest peak? Guys? Quickly, which is the highest peak? Guru Shikhar. Which is the most important tiger reserve in the Aravalis? Which is the most important tiger reserve in the Aravalis? Can anybody tell me? Most important tiger reserve in the Aravalis. Sariska. Very good. Superb. Now coming to environment topics. Guys, this week, Sharavati Wildlife Sanctuary was in news. Okay, Sharavati. Okay, guys, Sharavati. It is in Karnataka. It is known for which animal? Quickly. It is known for which animal? Can anybody tell me? Lion-tailed macaw. Very good. Is my voice clear, guys? Give a like, guys. Is my voice clear? Lion-tailed macaw. Which waterfall is famous in Sharavati? People from Karnataka. Namaskaram. Which waterfall is famous? It can come in exam. Guys. Okay. Next, pollution related topic. Okay. Flue gas desulfurization. Flue gas. What is flue gas? It is the gas which comes from the power plant. Okay. So desulfurization means when we take the sulfur out of it, flue gas desulfurization. Recently, the Environment Ministry has decided that it is not going to force all the power plants to install this flue gas desulfurization. Guys, it is very important to reduce the sulfur pollution in the atmosphere, because sulfur pollution, okay, leads to acid rains, which is the highest source of sulfur pollution, guys. Which is the highest source of sulfur pollution? Can anybody tell me? Which is the highest source of sulfur pollution? Can anybody tell me? Which is the highest source of sulfur pollution? Power plants. Very good. Next, history topic. Let us discuss quickly history topic. In history topic, Machilipatnam port. It is in which state? Machilipatnam port. It is an ancient port. During the medieval era also it was known, Machilipatnam. Why Machilipatnam is important? It is the first factory in the South India of the East India Company. First factory in the South India. Andhra people, Telugu people, Machilipatnam, Andhra people. Okay. I think we will wrap it up, guys. Voice is coming or not? We will wrap it up quickly. Next, only 5 minutes. Only give me 5 minutes. We'll wrap it up quickly. Next, guys, this week, NCERT history book. Okay, they have said NCERT history book. Okay, so they are changing the NCERT history book. In that, guys, there was one topic: Razia Sultan and Noor Jahan. Razia Sultan and Noor Jahan. Razia Sultan is known because she was the first woman ruler of Delhi. Razia Sultan. And Noor Jahan was wife of which Mughal emperor? Noor Jahan. This two important. Okay. And then drain of wealth. Who gave the drain of wealth theory? It is the Dadabhai Naroji. Then, guys, economy topic. SBI has placed QIP, qualified institutional placement. What is QIP? QIP is used by listed companies to raise capital in exchange of their shares, okay, or convertible debentures. Okay, QIP. Who can participate? Only qualified institutional buyers. Can participate. QIP, very, very important. SBI, QIP, very, very important. Okay, who are the QIBs? Who are qualified by QIBs? Are retail investors qualified for QIB? Qualified institutional buyers? No, retail investors are not included in that. Okay, guys, remember this. Then there was one report, SDG report. SDG report is released by which organization? SDG report is released by which organization? SDG report is released by which organization? Quickly. United Nations. Yes, UN. Which department? Please. So, guys, with this, we come to an end of this session. I would like to know from you, do you want me to come every Sunday live? Please do let me know. How was the session? Please do give a feedback in my Telegram ID. Okay, people who want to connect with me. Okay, I am going to take a one-to-one session at 10 p.m. in my Telegram channel. You can just ping me one-to-one session for doubts, because next week target we are going to discuss. Okay, if the session is good, please do send me the feedback, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.